Normal.
Cope.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, I need to invite you.
I just did. Bro,
Hold on, I
I'm
need to
in the
invite
fucking
you.
lobby. I'm in the fucking
Hold on.
lobby. I'm in the
Hold
fucking
on. This is the okay.
Oh.
Whatever.
Playing as your fucking wife. Fuck you.
You can't.
I just did, you bitch.
Okay, I'm gonna play as Artificer. Big booby woman.
Shut the fuck up.
Big boobs.
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, yo!
Commando time.
Look
Let's
at those
go.
boobs.
Commando
Look
time.
at those breasts.
Shut the fuck up.
Look at those tits.
Shut the fuck up.
They made Artificer even worse. Can't believe this. Look at this fucking ass. Holy fuck.
How the shut the fuck up, bro.
Look at that. Look at those pixel ass.
I'm gonna leave this fucking game. I swear to fucking god.
Calm down.
We're about to fucking die.
Did you die? Yeah. L?
He wanted 151 HP.
Thanks for money.
What the fuck?
Thanks for more money.
What the fuck?
My spinning balls.
Shut your
Yo,
fucking
check
face.
out my spinning balls. Check out my spinning balls. Here's the closer look.
You're so fucking gay.
Check out my spinning balls.
I really do not care.
Yo, check out my spinning balls.
Please just stop fucking talking. Oh, bye, bitch.
See you later then.
Bye, bitch.
Kill you actually.
Can't do
You're
that.
mean to me.
Good. Fuck you.
You're fucking mean. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna dox you.
We're doing
I'm
two
gonna
bosses. We're doing two
kill you.
bosses.
Oh my god, you want us to die. You actually want us to die.
Yep.
I have no items. I have no items.
Good.
My ass is gonna die. Oh yeah, awesome. Yeah. Two bosses, he said, and he can't even fucking kill a normal enemy.
There were two of them.
Let's see what the fucking boss is.
Oh,
Of course.
fuck off. Oh yeah, three of them. Have fun.
That's awesome. I love magma worms. And you had to fucking make them more than there would be. Yeah, that's nice. That's cool.
Alright, GG's.
Yeah, that's awesome. You suck so much, I can't believe this. Never mind. No, my you actually suck! What are the emotes in this game? How can I play without dancing or emoting? What are the emotes?
You want to see your
I need my
wife?
emotes.
You want to see your wife fucking dance?
Yeah.
That's fucking crazy. You're on your own for this one.
And I am doing just fine.
My fucking god. Holy shit! What the fuck?
Never
How
mind.
did you not? Oh my, what the fuck? Okay, this is a new
sorry,
one for me.
I was just too busy being good at the game.
Nobody fucking cares about you being good at the game.
I'm goat. I am the one and only goat.
You ain't goat. You ain't shit. Fuck!
You're just coping. I think you're just coping, honestly. I'm having fun, and you already died.
I don't even know what to fucking say. It's not.
I only have him unlocked. I already have him unlocked. I'm just flexing.
Wow! Wow! Look at you! Look at you! Look at you losing! Oh yeah! Look at you! Yeah! Look at you! Yeah! You fucking prick!
What the fuck?
Yeah! Look at you!
What the fuck?
Look at you!
What killed me? What even killed me?
Look at you! Look at you! Fucking bad! Get good!
I don't even know what killed me. Me when I freaking make an undodgeable.
And I still get them unlocked. You're so fucking bad. Get fucking good. Holy shit.
Where's the freaking lake in this joint?
Huh?
Oh wow, you're chained. You're my slave. Come here.
You're fucked. You're fucked. You're so fucked. You're actually so fucked. You're so fucked. I can see that.
Wow, you're dying too. That's awesome. This sucks because I've got such a good items. Jeez. Jeez Louise.
Fucking knew it. You're so fucking predictable.
Why couldn't we fucking get any healing items? Jesus Christ.
Because this game hates us.
Fucking sucks. It fucking
This game does not. This game does not like us.
Die. No fools. Okay, I guess we have to do it. We ought to do it. Are you serious?
Let him cook! Yeah! No!
Medic, hope, ratio, see?
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Why are you already activating the fucking— oh my fucking god. You're actually the end of us, bro. Holy fucking shit.
Problem.
Oh my fucking—
What's the problem?
I fucking died all because of you. I was looking through—
Oh, you died already?
because of you! You decided to fucking— No, I'm not even gonna do anything. Fuck you. I can't
That's
enjoy
crazy.
I can't enjoy shit with you.
That's crazy.
I cannot enjoy shit with you, dog. I don't need money.
I do mind money so much. Oh, nice, John. Oh, I don't have any money. Oh, nice portal.
Are you fucking serious?
Oh boy, I love my freaking bosses!
Ow! Oh, what the fuck? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
no, I'm dead. Yeah, GG's, I guess. What the fuck?
I don't know, what are you complaining about? I'm having fun.
What do you mean? Oh my fucking god, you have all these fucking items in your fucking inventory. Yeah, I only had one singular item.
Although I'm grinding.
Oh my fucking lord.
Oomphy, I need items.
How many items do you fucking have, dog? You have way too many fucking items. I don't want you to say, oh, I need more
Oomphy.
items. Oh, I need more items. I need more items.
Oomphy, it's not like you.
It's not like you. It's not like you. Whoa, you can change your ways. You sound like a main fucking
Oomphy.
protagonist. You sound like a main fucking protagonist right now. Oh, this is not you. This is not you.
Oomphy, Oomphy, you need to get to be better.
Oh my
Oomphy, you need to be
God.
better. Oh.
Well fucking deserved.
Oomphy, why are you studying?
I'm just gonna get some items. If I find some.
That's crazy.
What the fuck? The fuck up.
Okay, we can go. Oh wait, I need to get items
Oh my
first.
fucking god!
Help!
Help me!
Help me!
Help me! Help!
There we go.
Alright, hurry the fuck up! Hurry up! I'm out. Bye, bitch. Bye, bye.
Easy.
You're fucking dead! What?
Easy. Is there something wrong?
Just play the fucking game.
Oh my Oomphies! Oh no, why? No! Why? Why did you activate the fucking meteors? They fucking hurt us! They hurt us as well!